Have you ever experienced this? The moment you buy a stock, the stock comes crashing down, and when you can't take the pain anymore and you sell it, the same stock rebounds and gives you a new high. Most amateur traders go through this pain because they do not have a sound trading strategy, no trading plan. All their trading decisions are driven by the emotions of greed and fear. They keep repeating the same mistakes of buying after a strong rally in price or selling after the stock has declined considerably. Trading is all about timing your entries and exits into trades. There is no room for emotions here. Hi, I am Mahesh Kamath, founder of MAK Trading School and a full-time supply demand trader. I'm hosting a live workshop wherein I'll share with you the exact price action strategy that has helped me and hundreds of my students to achieve consistent result in stock markets. In this workshop, I will teach you how to identify high probability supply and demand zones, how to differentiate between low quality, high quality zones, where to enter trades, where to put your stop losses, and where to book profits. The beauty of this strategy is it works across asset classes, across time frames. So if you're keen to learn this strategy, then what are you waiting for? Just click the button below and reserve your spot before we run out of seats. And I'm looking forward to seeing you live.